Wer schreit? So, wo müssen wir jetzt denn hin? Da war was zum Aktivieren. Power System offline. Förderwerkssystem. Oh, da ist es so finster. So, wo müssen wir jetzt hin? Das aber aussieht doch. So, jetzt geht's noch weiter im Finstern. Schnell den Ding noch hin. Ah, sind wir da drüben. Dann gehen wir in den Aufzug zum zweiten Flur. Ach, noch mehr.
What you see before you is a relic codenamed U1, or simply Soul Cube. It was discovered in 2104, located in a geographic region where UAC researchers have unearthed evidence of a long-lost civilization. We know nothing of this civilization other than they existed, and that they were all wiped out in some type of cataclysmic event, according to what we've been able to decode from stone tablets found throughout the ruins. What clues we have been able to piece together reveal a culturally advanced society whose technology can only be described as mystic, as evidenced by U1's strange characteristics. Efforts to further examine U1 have been futile. Mass spectrometry
So, schaut nicht so gut aus.
scanning methods have failed to provide reliable identification of the molecular makeup of this artifact. The object cannot be weighed, and in all tests, we've been unable to determine its mass. All attempts to physically manipulate or open the artifact have been met with no success. We also have had no success in deciphering the symbols adorning U1. What we do know is that the thermographic readings are constant, unwavering temperature of 98.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Our research
Anscheinend haben wir da irgendwie so Ausgrabungsstätte.
the technologies that make up
I have the soul cube in hell, and you will never find it.
The Soul Cube? Was ist das? Schon wieder Zugangscode. Den haben wir ja wieder nicht. Aber jetzt haben wir irgendwas gekriegt. Level 3 Zugangscode-Änderung. 463. Das ist gut. So, Delta Labor 3. Okay, da machen wir jetzt mal eine kleine Pause. Zuerst noch speichern.